Good evening all, welcome to yet another episode of Saja's Designer Boutique. Those who are watching this video for the first time, please do subscribe our channel, do press the bell icon and do share with your friends and family. We are located in Mohaisana 4, opposite to Dunes Hotel Apartment. Our contact number is 05273674718 and our landline number is 042834040. We are getting a lot of queries for cotton salwar materials. So today I'll be showing you a few cotton salwar materials and we do have stitching facilities also available. So if you like any of the item, you can just send us a screenshot on our WhatsApp number. So let's start with our first item. This is a pure cotton. It's a combination of grey and white. Grey, white and black. Actually it's a three shades on it. This is the top. So it is like this. The top is like this. It is having a running stitch all over the body of the top portion and it is having 3 buttons also on the yoke portion. And the bottom is a plain black bottom which comes with a pure chiffon dupatta, which is a combination of grey, black and white. So the overall look will be like this. And the price of this salwar is 95 dirhams. So moving on to the next one. Next is a pearl white salwar material which is having a turmeric yellow block prints all over the body of this top. It's pure cotton. This is the one. The top will be like this and the dupatta is of pure cotton and it is also a block printed dupatta. And which is having a block printed bottom. It's a very soft cotton, block printed. The price of this is 85 dirhams. I'll just give you a closer view of it. This is the closer view of the salwar material. The top portion, the bottom and the dupatta. It's very soft cotton. Next is a pearl white top, which is having an applique work on the bottom part with a blue and Jaipuri print. In the neck also you can see the same print on the yoke portion. The dupatta is pure chiffon. It is a pure denim blue chiffon dupatta which is having a 4-side border. The bottom is the same blue one which is a cotton one. So the overall look will be like this. It will be like this. Moving on to the next. This is a chiku shade which is having an ari work and a mirror work on the bottom part. It is 135 dirhams. The dupatta is really a very pretty one. I'll show you the dupatta. Which is having ari work on the 4 sides of dupatta. It's a kota material. So it will be like this. The bottom is black shade. This is the top portion. It's a very beautiful piece. Moving on to the next. This is a yellow, turmeric yellow, pure handloom cotton salwar which is having it's a combination of grey and yellow which is having a mirror work on the yoke portion. bottom is a light brown shade. This is the yoke portion, and below also there is a work coming, so it will be like this. And it's having a pure chiffon dupatta, very lightweight, which is a combination of grey, off-white and yellow. So it is like this. Moving on to the next. You can see in the below portion there is a work. I'll show you the below portion, the work. It's also having a mirror work, and which is having a border which is same as the yoke portion. It's a very beautiful yellow. Next is a parrot green with a blue combination, which is having a mirror work all over the body. The yoke portion is having a, it's like a ikat patch on the yoke portion with the wooden buttons in the yoke. It will be like this. In the sleeve also there is work. You can see it's a very beautiful piece. So it will be like this. Bottom also there is work, and the dupatta is a multicolor. It's a combination of blue and a parrot green, which is having a four-side border. It's in pure chiffon. It's a very beautiful dupatta. The dupatta, you can see it's very beautiful. So it will be like this. The bottom is blue shade. Moving on to the next. Next is a combination of orange and a tomato red, which is having a, it's a plain top which is having a golden zari, small golden zari border. The bottom is of an onion pink, which is in pure cotton, and the dupatta is the highlight of the salwar. It is the combination of onion pink and tomato red. This is the dupatta. You can see the bottom. Bottom you can just design accordingly, since it is a plain top. You can design accordingly. So it's a very beautiful piece. This. Moving on to the next. Next is a chili red, and it's a combination of chili red and orange, which is a plain top, which comes with a small zari on the border, and the bottom part is a royal blue. It's a combination of royal blue and a purple one. The dupatta is a silk one, which is a multicolor. It's a very beautiful dupatta. It's really very pretty rich dupatta. So this is the dupatta. This is the top portion. It's like this. It will come like this. You can stitch at the neck part. In the neck portion, you can design accordingly. We do have stitching service also available here. Moving on to the next. It's a parrot green with a grey combination, which is pure handloom cotton, which is having a mirror work on the yoke portion. So this is the top portion. It's a very beautiful shade. The yoke is like this, and there is a work below also, mirror work below also. It's a combination of grey and parrot green. The bottom is this shade. It's a light brown actually. It's not a grey, light brown. And the dupatta is very pretty one, pure chiffon with a shibori work, tie and dye actually, with a green, pure chiffon dupatta. Very lightweight, very soft. This is the dupatta, and the top is very beautiful one. I'll show you below how the work is. So you can see like the work is like this. This is the border. This is the border portion. Moving on to the next. Next is the handwork, orange and blue combination. There is a mirror work on the yoke portion, mirror and thread work on the yoke portion, which is in pure soft cotton. This is the top. The bottom is blue, which is a blue shade, which is in rose silk fabric, and the dupatta is really beautiful one with a silk dupatta. It is having a silk dupatta with tassels. So this is the next one, orange and blue combination. It's a very pretty set. Moving on to the next, which is a grey combination, grey with the red embroidery work below in the bottom portion, which comes with the red bottom. This will be the bottom of it. It's a beautiful pashmina dupatta, which is in pearl white, which comes with a tassel, and the dupatta, all over the dupatta there is a printed work. You can see a printed work all over the dupatta. A block print on the top portion of the top. So this is the one. Moving on to the next. This is a coffee brown with a chiku combination, which is really a very beautiful combination, which comes with a running stitch all over the body of this top, and there is 2 buttons on the yoke portion, and the bottom is this chiku shade. The dupatta is very beautiful one, which is of soft net. This is the dupatta, and the top is like this, so it will be like this. So let's move on to the next set. This is a peach shade with a blue combination, pure cotton, which is having a chanderi dupatta, block printed one it is. So the neck is a side neck, which is already done. This is the side neck, it's already done, which is having an embroidery and mirror work, and there is a potli button on the side of this top. The bottom is pure cotton, which is in navy blue. It's a printed one. The dupatta is the highlight of this. It's in pure soft chanderi silk, which comes with the 2 combination, blue and peach shade, which is having a tassels. So it will be like this. It's a very beautiful and a very rare combination. So let's move on to the next. Again, we have one more in the brighter peach shade, which is having a yoke portion with black. The bottom is black, and the dupatta is having the same yoke work. I'll show you the dupatta, which is having an airy work all over the dupatta with a combination of a rani pink and a parrot green, which is having a tassel. It's a very beautiful dupatta. So once you will pair it, it will be like this. So this is the one. We have one more shade in the same one. I'll show you the same one, the color change of the same one. Is the same one, which is having a rani pink. Again, it's just the combination is different, which is having a royal, it's a sky blue combination. So it will be like this. The bottom is black. We have a black chanderi silk top with the mirror work all over the body. This is the border of it, which is having a pure handloom Assami silk dupatta. It's a very beautiful dupatta, very soft one. So this is the dupatta. You can pair it with this black top, and the bottom is blue shade. It's a very beautiful one. So it will be like this. Thanks for watching Sajas. If you have any suggestions or opinions, please do let us know through your comment box, or you can inbox us. So hope you all like this video, and thanks for watching Sajas.